Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to import your personal contacts from a CSV file right into Zoom. So to do this, go ahead and click your account on the upper right and then go down to profile, click on my profile. From here on the left hand side, scroll down towards the left and here you'll find personal contacts. You can click on that. Here you have the option now to add your contacts, and also you have the option to import from a CSV file. So if you have a CSV file, just simply click on that and you can select the file or drag and drop that CSV file right here. If you click and select, it's going to open up on your PC where you can select that CSV file, and so you can select it and click and open. Then you'll be able to click and upload afterwards. And that's it. So you can easily go ahead and do that. Here is a sample. For example, you can download sample, and this is gonna go ahead and select. Here's a sample. Gonna click on that, open, and as you can see right there, I've attached the sample contact. Then I'm gonna click and upload, and you will see that it uploads. And this is how your contacts will look like. If you have a CSV file with your contacts, you can easily go ahead and import them from a CSV file. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.